Per Inside EVs, Vermont's Agency of Transportation has updated its incentive programs. These updates include flood-damaged vehicles after Hurricane Beryl. Vermonters can now get up to $6,000 in state incentives for replacing totaled gas or diesel cars with new or used electric or plug-in hybrid vehicles. This can be combined with other state incentives and the federal tax credit for up to $18,500 in savings. The Replace Your Ride program offers up to $5,000 for trading in a gas or diesel car for a used electric vehicle. This now includes flood-damaged vehicles, regardless of age or condition. For new or leased electric vehicles, the state adds $1,000, totaling $6,000 in incentives. The MileageSmart program offers $5,000 to replace a flood-damaged car with a high-efficiency used vehicle. High-efficiency vehicles must have an efficiency rating of 40 miles per gallon or higher. Governor Phil Scott emphasized the program's environmental benefits and immediate relief for residents. Participants can stack these programs with other state incentives for up to $11,000 off a new electric vehicle and $10,000 off a used one. Adding the $7,500 federal tax credit, savings can reach up to $18,500 for new electric vehicles in Vermont. You are listening to UON News.